Welcome to Big Jores Affiliate Gist. In today's video, I will be showing you how to run and approve TikTok ads in 2025. As we all know, early December last year, TikTok has made it almost impossible for people to run ads on TikTok. And these are the results that many people got, including me myself. If you try to run ads, these are the results that you are going to get, not delivering. This is because TikTok has changed their policy in terms of advertisement and other stuff like that. So anything that has to do with money related, this, if you want to run ads on TikTok with any money related content, this is what you are going to get. This will be your result. So in this particular video, I am going to show you a step-by-step guide on how I was able to bypass this process to achieve this. As you can see now, this particular video is active and running. So stick around this video to the very end. But before we get started, ensure to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a video like this. So like I said before, if you want to get your video approved now on TikTok, stick around this video to the very end and make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel as well. So let's get started. So before you begin with this process, what you have to do is to, you get your CapCut and this particular app ready. These are the things that you need for this particular video. You need your CapCut and you also need this particular app. So you can download it from your Play Store or Apple Store. Let me open it so that you see. This particular app is used to download video. You can use it to download video without any watermark. For example, let's say we want to download a particular video on TikTok without watermark. What I mean by watermark is without showing the date. Let me explain further. Before you begin with this process, you need to head over to your TikTok. If you don't have a video available, you head over to your TikTok account. Nigerians over to your TikTok account. What you need to do is to get a comedy. You can get a comedy video or whatever video you know can keep people engaged or people really like. But I will suggest you go for comedy. For example, now you want to use Sabino's comedy or any other person comedy. Let's assume you want to use Sabino's comedy for the Sabino's video for this particular tutorial. Then you click on the Sabino's page to his video like this. So let's assume this is the video that we want to use. All you need to do is to click on this particular icon right here. If you click on this icon, you head over to click on copy link. After you copy the link, now you take this link to this particular app. You take it to this particular app, you paste it here. You paste the link, then you click on download. You wait it to fetch the video information. And after doing this, it's going to download this video to your gallery. Since I have already done that, you see this place is definitely going to show where you just need to click on download without watermark. So that's what you are going to do when you get there. After you might have get your comedy video ready, you need a second video, which is your main advertisement video, the main video that you want to use for your ads. Let's assume in this particular video, I will be using this video here. In this particular tutorial, this is the video that I'm going to use. Let me play it for you to see.
To help you go viral on TikTok. It is called Euphoria. They will not just help you going viral on TikTok. They will also help you earn through your likes and views on TikTok and graphic designing and so much more.
Okay, you see, this is the video that I'm going to use for this particular tutorial. So all I need to do now is to head over to my CapCut. Where is the CapCut? I head over to my CapCut and import those two clips. Note the number one is comedy and the second one is the original content that you want to use for your ads. So I click on new project. The first thing, I click on the particular comedy video that I want to use. So this is the video I want to use. I will first pick the comedy video. Here is the comedy video, and also the second video should be the video that I want to use, which is this particular video. I select it. This particular two videos here, these are the two videos. I select the two of them and I head over to click on add. you see this particular 2 clips has been added. Let me forward it like this so that you see these are the 2 videos. Share you see. So the 2 video has been joined together, so you can now head over to the end of the video to delete the TikTok watermark if you want to. So after you get this done, let me play it from here. Let me show you. Let me play at the end. So after the comedy play like this,
Much respect. Welcome, my brother. Nice to meet you. Do you know that there is a platform that is going to...
You see, after the comedy might have played to the end, if you can decide to cut the comedy to make it short, but what you need to know is that the comedy video that you want to add, make sure it's over 30 seconds. Add over 30 seconds comedy video before you now add your main advert video. So that is what you are going to do.
help you
That's
go.
one of the things that we are going to do. So after you get it right like this, you now export the video simply by clicking on the format that you want to use, which is here. For example, now I want to use 2K. Okay, let me use 1K for the purpose of this video and export this particular video. I wait for it to finish exporting. So the video has been successfully exported. Now what I need to do now is to head over to TikTok and upload this video. Is to get this video uploaded on TikTok. So let's go to TikTok now. Okay, as you can see, here is the video. This is the video. So I'm going to upload this video on TikTok now. Okay, let's upload it. Then you enter the video title. Note here, instead of you using Euphoria or any stuff like that, you can just use FYP or trend, something like that. You can use hashtag. You can simply use hashtag, or you can use funny stuff, hashtag FYP. You can use FYP trend or whatever. You can just name it funny video or watch to the end, something like that, but don't include the platform name or so. So after you might have done that, ensure that your video cover, which is like thumbnail, ensure that this particular video cover is the original video cover, like the comedy own and not the affiliate own. And if this particular place is showing the affiliate video, you need to click on edit cover and change it back to the comedy video. So after you get the video uploaded, let me post it.
There's some add-on.
Let's wait for the video to load. As you can see here, the video is loading, it's processing. So now that our video has been successfully uploaded, what we need to do now is to begin the process. Let's go to the profile. Here is the video. Let me click on it. Another thing you need to note is that you have to wait at least 3 to 5 minutes for this particular content to pass through this review, because this is what TikTok normally does nowadays. They have to review the video, and this process will take at least 2 to 5 minutes to review the video. So let's wait for these particular things to disappear. Now let's check again. You see, it has disappeared. It means that the video has passed through the review process. Now let's proceed with the ads. So all you need to do is to click on this 3-dot icon. This is the particular video that we want to promote. You click on the 3-dot icon, then you click on increase views. After clicking on increase views, you can click on edit. Note, this is the particular thing that you are using, get sales. After you click on get sales, then you click on edit. After you click on edit, here is where you are going to put your group link. Insert your WhatsApp group link or Telegram channel link here. Then another thing is you can use either sign up or apply, if including learn more. Any of this is good, but I usually use sign up. So this is the one I usually use. you now click on save. So here, as you all know, you can set your budget, how much you want to use for the ads. For the purpose of this video, let me try with a small money. Let's assume I want to use 2,500. So let me just try let me say 228. You just type in the amount here, 2,800 naira for this ad, you see. And to use 2,800, you see that it requires 185 coins. So I need to click and accept the terms, then click on recharge. No, I don't have coins, that is why this particular place is showing like this. So but let me recharge this particular coins. I'll click on recharge. Okay, let me recharge. Done. Now I have coins available. I have successfully purchased coins. So now that I have coin available, here is where to set your ads duration. You can choose to increase it 2 days, 3 days, 4 days or more, depending on the budget that you want to spend for the ads. Now you can head over to click on start now. You wait for it to pay. This is where you make your payment. You see, payment made successfully. Now this particular video is under review, so we have to wait some time to check if the video has been approved or not. So where can you check that? It's just for you to go back. Let's go back. Here is the profile. You can go to, for you to monitor this video to know if it has been approved or not. You click on this 3 dash icon here. After clicking on the 3 dash icon, you now click on TikTok Studio. After you click on TikTok Studio, you head over to click on Promote. Then after that, you click on Dashboard. You see, the video is currently under review. Note, this particular one is active, so we have to wait for like 5 minutes for this video to either get approved or reject, but I'm sure it will be approved. So now it has been over 5 minutes. Let's go back and check if the video has been approved or not. Boom. Here you see the video has been approved. The video has been approved. Look at it here. The ads has been approved. So if you find this particular video helpful, make sure to subscribe, like and share so that other people can also benefit from this particular video. Thanks for watching.